Good evening and congratulations, incoming generals. My name is Mrs. Phyllis Anderson, and I am the proud principal of Rufus King International High School. It is my great pleasure to welcome everyone. As the newest members of our school community, you are our pride and joy. On behalf of our entire school community, I pledge that we will do everything possible to ensure that you develop your talents and interests to the fullest while you are here. King is a place where you can achieve your true potential and where you can realize your dreams. I advise you to take advantage of opportunities. Study hard, make new friends, try new clubs, activities, and finally, get to know your teachers. These things will help you make your mark on the world as so many before you have done. To our parents, guardians, I look forward to getting to know you, the remarkable young people you have raised, and to helping provide a rich array of opportunities for them to learn, to grow, to discover who they are and how they want to make a difference globally. Here at King, we focus on developing the entire child through our students thriving to be IB learners. Our learner profile will be embedded in everything they do. Again, I am so delighted you decided to join our school community today. I know you will discover over the next few hours what I have discovered in my many years as an assistant principal and principal at King, that you have entered a diverse, challenging, lively, and warm community who takes pride in everything we do.